Salam everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rabia and welcome to video number 35 for me. Today I am doing this Eid-spired look. So Eid-spiration is a video series that I started last year and it just revolves around like super glam looks that I think would be perfect for Eid, which is just a celebratory time for us. And yeah, I really enjoyed creating this look and like wearing like my Pakistani outfit and Pakistani jewelry and just creating a look centered around that. And I feel like I did a pretty good job like making sure that my makeup matched like the extraness of Pakistani culture. So I did do a really blown out orange look and I kind of tried to keep everything in the orange family. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel if you're not already, and sharing with a friend that you think might find this helpful. And with that, let's just get in to the video. Okay, so starting off with moisturized skin, I'm going to go in and prime with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Refining Primer and work this primarily into the center of my face because that's where I have a lot of my pores. And next I'm going to go in with the Dior Forever Skin Foundation, and this is in the shade 41. I actually really have been enjoying this foundation a lot lately just because it is matte on my oily skin, but it's not dull like a lot of other foundations, and so it sits really nicely on the skin, and also the color match is really decent right now. My skin's a little red so it doesn't look like it is, but if you look at my neck it matches really well. Next I'm going in with the iconic London. This is a Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion, so it's more of a liquidy consistency, so I actually like it a lot more for when I'm looking for more of a dramatic brow look. So you'll see like it actually does a really good job of defining the brow, but I only dip it in once into the cushion for each brow because it is a lot of product and it can get overwhelming if you use too much. So I just like to go in with a really light hand, like almost barely touching my brow, but you can see it gives a really good definition and almost kind of looks naturally full. And then after I put it in, I just like to pick up any extra product with a spoolie. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm going in with the shade Natural Beige, and I'm gonna highlight underneath my eyes, conceal the tops of my lids, and also just down the center of my face to highlight my face. I'm gonna let that sit on my skin for a little bit and go in and contour. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Truffle matchstick to kind of do a cream contour. So I'm going to apply that and blend that out first, and I'm just using a dual fiber brush here. I like to work on the concealer last just because I feel like it is better when you let it sit on the skin for a little bit and get a little dry. Now you can see I am just blending out that concealer, and this way it gives you really good coverage and the product doesn't move around too much. Sometimes I find that with really creamy concealers, like if I blend it out too quickly, the product moves around too much and it's a lot harder for me to blend. Next I'm going in with the Fenty Banana Powder, and first I'm going to make sure that there is no excess creasing underneath of my eyes, and now I'm pushing that product in with the Beauty Blender. So this is like my first prior to baking. I like to just push the product in, make sure none of my creases are there, and just make sure that it's smooth. I'm also going to put some powder on the tops of my lids. This part I'm a little bit messy because it's going to get dusted off right now. And now I'm baking with the Morphe sponge and the same Fenty powder. So I like to bake underneath of my eyes and down the center of my face just to make sure that it stays bright. And now I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Candle Glow setting powder, and this is in the shade 5, and I like to just like go in with the kabuki brush and go around the entirety of my face, blending out the powder. So I don't really let my bake sit for too long just because my under eyes are so dry, so that I notice that if I let it bake too long they crinkle. And this also just helps to blend everything between the highlight and the foundation. And now I'm going in with my favorite product right now. This is the Kylie bronzer in the shade Tanned and Gorgeous. This is such a beautiful shade on my skin tone. It blends so beautifully. I'm honestly really shocked with how much I like this product. And yeah, I've been using it non-stop. And then I didn't cream contour my nose, but I am just going to powder contour it. I just don't like cream contour because I feel like sometimes it can be a little harsh. But then sometimes I want that super glam look and I do cream contour my nose. Now I'm going in with an oldie but a goodie. This is the Alamar Reina del Caribe palette, and first I'm going in with the lighter orange shade to build up my crease as a transition, and that color is Cocoa Taxi. And you can see it doesn't really do a lot, but it just kind of defines a little bit of the crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Tropico, and I'm going to actually build this. This is such a beautiful orange color. And it builds really beautifully, as you can see, and it blends out like a dream. And it's really easy to blend, as you can see as well, and it's just so opaque. I honestly forgot how much I loved this palette, but it's so beautiful, so pigmented, so easy to blend. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Cafecito on a more densely packed brush. And I'm just going to work this onto my outer crease to deepen it up a little bit and add a little bit of dimension. But you're going to see right now I'm going to go in with that same brush that we were using the shade Tropico on. And I'm just going to blend around those edges. I don't want the brown to show up too brown. I just want it to be there for definition. And now I'm going in with the Anastasia glitter glue. I love this. The brush that it's on, it's so easy to apply. And I'm going to go in with the eye candy glitter, and this is in the shade Ginger Snap. It's a beautiful bronze glow with a little bit of gold reflex in it. It's so pretty. And I'm just going to go and pack that on right on top of the glitter with a flat shader brush. And you can see I'm doing tapping motions, not so much sweeping, just because if you sweep, you're going to get like the glitter glue everywhere, and it's going to start like rolling around on your eye. So you just want to tap it on. It's the best way to get it. And honestly, I would suggest working on one eye at a time, because by the time I got to the other eye, the glitter glue had already dried. Now I'm just going to blend some of that Cafecito shade and the Tropico shade onto my lower lash line, connect it. And I really wanted that orange to peep, so I honestly like went ham with that orange shade and went all around my eye, created a pretty like deep eyeshadow wing with it. And yeah, now I'm going with the mascara. This is a Too Faced mascara, and I'm just going to coat my top and lower lashes. I did go in with velour lashes as well, as you'll see. Next, I'm going in with the Sigma Blush Cheek Palette, and I'm mixing the shades Cora de Rosso, which is the pink shade, and Tiger Lily, to kind of get that pink shade that I really love in that neutral. And Tiger Lily pulls a little orange, so I just wanted a little bit of orange on my cheeks too. Now I'm setting down all of the powders with the Urban Decay All Nighter and pressing in the products with the Beauty Blender once it's a little bit dry. Now I'm going in with the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlight and putting it everywhere I like to highlight. This is such an Instagram highlight, it's so blinding. And now I'm going in with the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy lipstick in the shade Aftermath. This is such a pretty orangey brown color. And then I finished off the look with these Pakistani earrings that I love, but they took forever to put on. Okay, you guys, and that completes this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Honestly, this new technique of like super like dragged out eyeshadow is really nice. I feel like it adds like drama without eyeliner, which I usually associate eyeliner with like a really dramatic look. But I really like how this looks. I feel like it's kind of like editorial but still wearable in a sense. And yeah, I really just love like this orange explosion that we created. If you guys do recreate the look, please make sure to tag me on Instagram. It is at Rabs Beauty. I love seeing your guys' recreations. Or if you guys do not have an Instagram, just leave me a comment down below. I just love knowing that any of my looks or my videos inspire you in any which way. And yeah, with that, I think that will do it for this look. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, beautiful day, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye!